Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm using the flat iron to iron this hair. Actually, this hair I already tested for more than 3 months ish, and I washed it for many times and to test whether it's tangling or not, and actually it's not tangling and it's very good. And now I'm using the flat iron to iron the hair. To see, actually all the hair bundles, when you receive it, you cannot tell the hair bundle is good or not on your first sight until you wash it, you flat it, or you bleach it. And because all the hair bundles, their factory will do oil silicone processing to make the hair very shine and looking very shining and very smooth, very soft. But after you wash it and after you wash it many times, and all the hair will come to its true condition. And especially when you try to bleach the hair will give you the real whether the hair is good or bad. Mostly the Remy hair in the market mostly can be bleached to it can be bleached to color 27, and our virgin hair can be bleached to color 613. But actually most of the Remy hair sold in the market, they cannot be bleached to 613 or 27, because if you bleach it and the hair there will the hair will become break, and the hair will drop from the weft and bundle. So do not tell, you cannot tell the hair is good or not until you bleach it or you wash it. This is our hair bundles after multiple times washing, and it's still good. And I use flat iron to iron this hair. And if this hair is mixed with any like synthetic fiber, and actually this hair will also, the synthetic will burn at this temperature. But this hair, you see, it's 100% human hair, and it's pretty nice when you iron it. And the fullness is also very good here. And this is the virgin hair. This virgin hair can be bleached to any color. This can be bleached to color 613. It's all Chinese hair. It can be bleached very well. Look, this hair is also very soft and no any filler, and very soft. And this is 16-inch Remy hair. This is 20-inch virgin hair. This is our 16-inch hair usually will reach around 17 or 18-inch, and many vendors will sell it at 18-inch.